Along with the rapid development of the automobile industry, black pollution generated by waste tires increasingly threatens the environment. Dongguan Yuntong Environmental Protection Technology Company Limited, hereinafter referred to as Yuntong, the leading high-tech enterprise that specializes in research, exploration, production, and marketing of tire recycling equipment and application of crumb rubbers, is committed to the environmental protection and sustainable development. Dongguan Yuntong Environmental Protection Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise that mainly focuses on research, exploration, production, and marketing of tire recycling equipment, as well as application technology of crumb rubbers. At the same time, the company can also provide all kinds of services for customers, such as mechanical design, manufacture, installation, debugging and maintenance, and staff training. Project manager Doug Yuchao has been leading technicians to study waste tire recycle projects since 2000. With 9 years research and development, overcoming difficulties and obstacles, they have made breakthroughs in producing international leading fine crumb rubbers from waste tires at room temperature successfully. Yuntong is located at the world's manufacturing base, Chang'an Town, Dongguan City, known as World Factory. The traffic here is very convenient. It's neighbors to Hong Kong and Shenzhen to the east and Guangzhou to the west. Meanwhile, it is close to many deep-water ports, such as Shenzhen Yantian Port, Shirkou Port, Pumen Port, etc., and Shenzhen Baoan Airport, only 20 kilometers. The production base of Yuntong can process 150,000 tons of waste tires annually. Besides, the economic and technical indicators of the whole production line project on manufacturing crumb rubbers from waste tires at room temperature are in the leading position in the domestic and foreign similar industries. Yuntong is awarded as high-tech enterprise in Guangdong province. Yuntong has established a worldwide sales network, and its products are exported to Russia, Iran, Hong Kong, Malaysia, and mainland China. It has won good reputation from vast customers thanks to its exceptional quality and good service. Crushing waste tire at room temperature is the world's most economical method. Yuntong has complete first-class equipment and technology to crush waste tires at room temperature and produce wire, nylon fiber, and rubber with the crushed tire. No waste gas, wastewater, and industrial residue would be produced during the procedure, which strictly complies with environmental protection requirements. Waste tire processing equipment and main procedures are as follows. Chapter 1. Preparing working procedure. Tire cutter. Put the inner tire in the groove of blade, which cuts the bead on the lip of tire. Bead extractor. Extract 2 strands of steel wire from the lips of waste tire. Chapter 2. Crushing equipment. Tire crusher. This device is designed to normally crush tires with their diameters less than 1,200 millimeters into blocks of 50 by 50 millimeters for further processing. The blades in the crushing chamber rotate by the motor to shear and tear tires. Secondary shredder can crush rubbers with the size of about 50 by 50 millimeters into particles with length of 6 millimeters to 12 millimeters, and meanwhile automatically separate some fibers and steel wires. Fine rubber crusher. Shred particles 6 millimeters to 12 millimeters processed by secondary shredder into smaller particles with a length of 1 millimeter to 4 millimeters. Chapter 3. Steel wire and fiber separation equipment. Magnetic separator for steel wire separation. Line vibrator for fiber separation. Chapter 4. Rubber grinder. Grind 5 to 15 mesh particles into 40 to 120 mesh-fine crumb rubbers. Chapter 5. Smoke and Dust Eliminating Equipment. The workshop is equipped with smoke and dust eliminators to guarantee that there is no pollution, no dust, and no fiber spreading during the operation. Chapter 6. Automatic Control System. The cabinet automatically controls the power on and power off of equipment for the entire production line, realizing real-time monitoring of equipment status. The waste tire processing production line of Yuntong is energy-saving, labor-saving, cost-effective, safe, reliable, and convenient in operation. With the social development, the natural rubber cannot meet the industrial production demands. Rubber is regarded as strategic resource, and waste tire recycling has become the development mainstream of the current society. Known as industrial black gold, crumb rubbers play an increasingly important role. They are widely used in such fields as sports grounds, golf courses, amusement parks, waterproof materials, road construction, and so on. It has contributed great economic and social benefits to the world. Yuntong adheres to the principle of customer first and provides a comprehensive and thoughtful post-sale service to customers as follows. 1. We arrange technicians to assist installation and debugging as soon as the cargo arrives at the destination. 2. We provide instruction and trainings on operation of the equipment. 3. We timely deal with letters and visits of customers to reply to their consultation. Provide lifetime technical support for customers. Yuntong has a strong sense of responsibility and mission, which takes waste tire processing and environmental protection as its development direction, and being leader of waste tire processing equipment as its development objective. It adheres to the business concept of being dedicated, professional, scientifically and technologically innovative, progressing, and high-quality brand and creating benefits for users. We warmly welcome all friends at home and abroad to visit our company and to work together for a brilliant future in the field of waste tire recycling economy.